Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is, let's move this up here. Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel, and a big shout out to what do we have here? 11 people who watched this video yesterday. I appreciate every single one of those people out there, the 11 people who did watch this video yesterday. Thanks so much, and a big shout out. Okay, before we get started here, a couple requests. First of all, of course, we're currently with 200 and what cases? 259 subscriptions. Who wants to be 260? Who wants to be 265? And who wants to be 270? Our goal for our channels is to get to 270. It's 270 subscriptions by a week from today. By the evening of our goal is to 270 subscriptions by Monday, August the 16th in the evening. Okay, we're currently at 259. But you know what? All it takes for you is to share this video with your friends and family, and also to share the Caribou Data Science channel with your friends and family. All you got to do is click on that share button. Click on the share button. Copy and paste the link to this video into your email or your text message. Okay? Let's get on with the show here now. There's one thing we need to keep in mind. For some reason, we're counting COVID-19 deaths different than any other disease. Okay, if we're talking about, say, cancer or heart disease, for instance, we count deaths a year at a time. So on January 1st, the calendar for cancer deaths and heart disease is set back to zero. But yet, for some reason, for COVID-19, we're counting the numbers from the date of the first case and the date of the first death up until today, or yesterday. So the first plot we're going to take a look at here is um, the first plot we're going to take a look at here is is the uh, is the number of let me see, the number of cases for the first since January 1st, 2021. Let's take a look up here. Something's not quite right up here. But this isn't a Okay. What we're going to do here is we're going to change this up a little bit. We're going to plot the cases. We're going to start by plotting the cases and deaths, okay, by for the current year. So what we're doing is we're on January 1st, we're resetting our cases and deaths, okay, back to zero. Yeah, back to zero. Let's do this. So, okay, let's run this. Let's run this. Now we got that. ggplot to this is actually going to be a little bit shorter report today, I'm thinking. See, yeah. This is going to be what am I thinking of Okay, let's copy this now. Let's see how this runs in. Let's just take a look here. Okay, for January, you can see this. This again. This is January. Uh, let's come down here. Let's try this. Okay, so now we come back over here. Let's come back up here. Let's just call this case. Let's just call this average. Subtitle. Okay, good. So now what you can see here is okay. Instead of running a complete report because we already got 15 minutes under our belt, we're going to look at these two numbers here. Okay. So how many cases have we had so far this year? Like you can see, we had a spike coming back up to here now. So the question is this: how do you reset this count to 0? But nonetheless, you can still see we are seeing a spike up in cases. Okay. Now, keep in mind that the COVID-19 situation is we're getting close to 50% full vaccination. But what you remember about the vaccine is, at least what some people are saying is, the purpose of the vaccine is not to keep you from getting COVID-19, it's to reduce the chance that you'll die from COVID-19. So what that means in theory, maybe in practice, is these number of cases can continue to go up even as deaths decline. Okay, so let's take a look at deaths now. Nice long drop in deaths since the first of the year. Okay, so you can see this declining pattern here in deaths. Slight increase there, but nonetheless, but again, we should see these number of deaths continue to fall as the vaccine program rolls out. Like I say again, we may see cases continue to increase indefinitely, right? Indefinitely, because if the vaccine doesn't keep you, then why should we? If the vaccine doesn't keep you from getting COVID-19, then what makes us think that COVID-19 will ever go away? Okay, think about it. Because the vaccine isn't going to keep people from getting COVID. So therefore, how can COVID-19 ever really go away? So the point of this, I also remind you at this time, is something that Wash University says on their health metrics and evaluation, Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation website. That is that the single best measure of the spread of a disease is daily deaths, not hospital beds, not mask wearing, not cases, but daily deaths and deaths in general. And this is what the deaths for 2021 looks like. Okay. Thanks so much for your time, Erica. Thanks for kind of hanging in while I modify this report. Okay. Thanks again so much, America. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that share button, and don't forget to share this video on Facebook and Twitter today.